The elevation changes and the tight corners make it really fun.
Just the exhilaration, and every time I took a lap, I saw a different line and learned something new. And even the second and third, you kind of had a better idea of what to do.
When the Calgary track did close, Dominic did approach a number of folks, and a number of us did get together and say we would like something for the Calgary region and the Alberta region to allow motorsports fans to be able to have that opportunity to come out. This is a facility that's going to be exposed for it's private and public, and it's going to be have the opportunity for the public to use it as well.
I have to tell you, I was kind of scared the hell out of me a couple of times. You're coming into some of those corners and they come up fast, and when you're not sure, it was a little bit of a rush, and it gets the adrenaline going. And something that, I'm not used to doing. So I'm kind of truly starting from the ground up, no pun intended, and here we are. Speaking of ground, what we've accomplished here is really spectacular.
You and I met out here a number of months ago when this was just dirt.
Yeah.
And today we're out here, we're virtually complete. The track is certainly fully paved. And when they had the opportunity to do some testing out here today, and you had the opportunity to go out with a couple of guys and just, again, have a look at the track, it's truly turned out to be spectacular.
Oh.
I mean, it is, it's beyond what we actually, could have hoped for. And the track has a lot of technical aspects to it, but there's a good couple of good straights for speed. The elevation change is amazing.
Is it?
And it's really come to take the shape that we hoped it would. It's certainly taken a long time. We've been at this for a total of 9 years, 7 years sort of in this location. And so it's taken a lot of perseverance. And I have to thank all of our earlier investors for being so patient.
Well, Dominic, as an Albertan, I would like to say thank you for bringing motorsports back to Central Alberta, because when we lost it as a person that rides two wheels, I was very sad. And I was so excited to hear from you when we got to talk about this project. So Dominic, thank you very much.
Thanks, Brad. It's been a pleasure.